Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,950, shows 226,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission, making it a solid and dependable driver. The truck has benefited from several recent mechanical updates, including a new spider fuel injection system, a new AC compressor, a new alternator, and a new ignition coil, all contributing to improved performance and reliability. The suspension has been professionally lowered with a 2/4 drop, done correctly using drop spindles up front and lowered leaf springs in the rear, giving the truck a clean and aggressive stance. It rides on classic 454 SS wheels fitted with new tires, adding to its overall appeal. Inside, the truck remains comfortable and functional, with air conditioning that blows cold and a heater that works as it should. Number 2. 1999 GMC 2500, price $8,000, shows approximately 150,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline-powered drivetrain. The truck is finished in a deep burgundy exterior color that is complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and well-maintained appearance. It has been well taken care of over the years, and that attention is evident in both its condition and performance. Under the hood, the truck is equipped with a powerful big block 454 engine that runs flawlessly and delivers strong, reliable performance. The vehicle sits on 35-inch tires, all 4 of which are brand new, providing a more aggressive stance while also ensuring dependable traction. An aftermarket exhaust system has been installed, and the catalytic converters have been deleted, enhancing both the sound and overall driving experience. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000, powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck starts, runs, and drives, and it performs well for its age. The engine is strong, and the transmission shifts smoothly, making it mechanically dependable as a driver or project base. The frame is solid, adding to the overall reliability of the truck. This vehicle is being offered as a project truck, as it still needs some cosmetic work and minor mechanical details to be addressed before it can be considered fully finished. However, it provides a good foundation for restoration, customization, or daily use with some additional attention. The truck is sold as with no warranty, making it a great opportunity for someone looking for a solid S10 platform to build or improve upon. Number 4. 1976 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. This truck has 129,000 original miles and is powered by a 350 V8 with an automatic turbo 350 transmission and 2WD. It runs on gasoline and features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly. Recent maintenance includes a new alternator, power steering pump and lines, timing chain and sprockets, oil and water pumps, belts, hoses, thermostat, ignition components, and new tires. Known issues include a power steering leak likely from the steering box, an AC system that has not been charged in about 7 years, warped rear brake drums, a non-working original stereo, and worn paint on the upper sections, especially the hood. Number 5. 1987 Ford F250, price $10,000. It is powered by a gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. The truck features a tan exterior paired with a beige interior, complementing its vintage two-tone styling that consistently turns heads and adds to its classic appeal. The vehicle runs and drives excellent with no known issues or excuses, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance throughout its life. The engine feels strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the overall driving experience is solid and confidence-inspiring. Inside, the interior is clean and well-preserved, while the body remains straight and clean. Additionally, this F250 comes equipped with a Blue-Ox fifth-wheel hitch, making it ideal for towing trailers or hauling heavy loads. Number 6. 1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,000, with a 2.4L 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, showing 158,000 miles. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior and was originally owned by an older gentleman who maintained it very well before stopping driving due to health reasons. The interior is clean, and the truck has been reliable. Recent maintenance includes a new brake master cylinder, clutch master and slave cylinders, idler pulleys, a C compressor, and rear O2 sensor. It was later upgraded with a DJM 3/4 lowering kit, including new upper control arms, rear lowering blocks, shocks on all 4 corners, and a double DIN radio with a backup camera. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, equipped with a 5.7L engine and automatic transmission, configured as a 2WD truck. It has 232,000 miles on the odometer and features a white exterior paired with a stunning original red interior. The interior is in excellent condition for its age, with a well-preserved bench seat that shows minimal wear. The truck has great paint, shows no rust, and runs strong. It drives smoothly and brakes properly. The engine has received many new parts, and the oil was changed approximately 200 miles ago. It also sits on brand new Goodyear tires mounted on classic rally rims. The title is clean and in the owner's name. Well-maintained and unmodified trucks in this condition are becoming increasingly hard to find, especially ones that have not been abused. Number 8. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. This truck has 220,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a purple exterior complemented by a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.7L engine, the truck comes with all power options and runs and drives very well. The body is straight and solid with no rust, making it a great foundation for a daily driver or custom build. It has a new windshield and is set up to lay frame, adding to its appeal for enthusiasts. This Sierra holds a clean and current California title and is registered. Overall, it is a strong running truck with good bones, though it does need a few minor things addressed to be fully sorted. Number 9. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $8,700. It has traveled approximately 98,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 307 V8 gasoline engine paired with a traditional 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The truck features a bright yellow exterior complemented by a clean black interior, giving it a timeless vintage look. For its age, it runs and drives very well and has proven to be reliable, starting up easily even in cold weather conditions. While it does show some common rust consistent with older trucks, it is nothing out of the ordinary or excessive. The vehicle comes with a clean and clear title and has already been upgraded with a 3/5 drop kit that includes a welded C-notch. The deluxe suspension setup consists of drop springs, shocks, an adjustable track bar, a shock relocation kit, and U-bolts, providing a lowered stance while still maintaining solid drivability and road manners. Number 10. 1975 Ford F250, price $6,500, powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck shows 68,000 miles and features a brown exterior with matching brown interior. It retains great original paint patina, and the body condition is exceptionally solid for its age. The truck comes with the original owner's manual, a clean title, and numerous repair receipts accumulated over the years that help support the documented mileage. The engine turns freely but has been sitting and used for several years, and it has not been started recently. For that reason, the seller recommends bringing a trailer for transport.